Are you constantly attracting men with lack of integrity? Hi, my name is Simone Angel and I'm a love and relationship coach and a divine self-aligner, and I work with single professional women to attract their soulmate and build a lasting love relationship together with him by implementing the alignment code in their entire life. And in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to stop attracting men that are lacking a very important value, the integrity. But first thing first, I'm going to tell you why you are attracting them, and then I'm going to give you some solutions to stop attracting this kind of man forever. So let's get started. Have you wondered why you are attracting this type of man? You know, the type of man that is promising you the moon at the beginning of the relationship, and then you see that he is struggling to be on time to date with you, to fulfill those promises that he made for you, and also to fulfill your desires, wants, and needs. He cancels the dates almost all the time. He brags about his plans of having all sorts of activities with you. But after 1 year with him, the most interesting activity you had together was to watch on Netflix. Overall, his words are not followed with his actions. So why this is happening? There are two reasons. Or you are not respecting a fair integrity in the relationship with others, or you are not respecting a fair integrity in the relationship with yourself. What does it mean? I will take them one by one. So the first one, you are not respecting a fair integrity in the relationship with others. You know, being a high achiever or a people pleaser, you promise that you'll do things for others, taking huge responsibilities, trying to do their work, having more responsibility than is necessary, and then you can't keep your promises for different reasons, or you forget, or you realize that you can't do it, or you get sick, or you have a family issue. And worse than that, you don't have the courage to go at that person and say the truth, that you can't do it, and you prefer to hide, postpone, avoid that person, or lie. Overall, you can't say no or yes when you mean it. The solution: try to accept those actions that you can handle, especially at work with your colleagues and managers. Stop saying yes to those tasks that you know you don't have time or skills to finish because you are afraid of losing your job, or worse, to impress and demonstrate that you are capable. Now, let's move on to the next reason. You are not respecting a fair integrity in the relationship with yourself. Yes, ladies, you say that you will do some activities, that you will start going to the gym, that you will start your business, that you will do a specific training, but then you see yourself not doing it. You find all sorts of excuses of not starting that activity, and you'll say, I'm not feeling good now. I will wait till I will finish X thing. My kids need me. My family needs me. It's raining. I'm at the period. No one is helping me. You have all sorts of to-do lists that you make, but you don't respect. Also, you buy trainings or coaching programs that you aren't follow, and then you complain that you don't have results. And this is affecting the trust in yourself, and you start to doubt your ability to be reliable and trustworthy. The solution for this: pick one activity that you need to do every single day for at least 30 days. And you are going to do it no matter what. No matter what it will come, you are going to do that action. So ladies, if you want a man in your life who is respecting his word and respecting yourself, and to see him doing what he is planning with you, then start to raise your level of integrity. So these are the reasons why you are attracting men out of integrity. Now you know why this is happening, and you have some simple solutions to apply. Start to apply them, and if you have any questions, then leave a comment. Of course, there are more complex solutions that I'm applying with my clients for fast and permanent results. If you want to know more, then check this link, bloomyourlovelife.com/apply.